right. Back. And let's get rid of this. Oh, not me. No, not the game. You. There we go. Okay. All right. So tonight we are going to work on animation. Last time we got the frog buddy here, spun on the log, and he's riding around, and he wraps around. He should come back around the other side. What we need to do tonight is get him moving, get her moving around. What she does is she hops around back and forth. What's up, man? It's like not audio problems again. I don't know if you were on last time. My mic was super loud. Sorry about that. I think you were on. We were playing your game. My mic was super loud last time because I was messing around with the voiceover stuff, voice acting. And long story short, these mics this is a great mic I have, but it's a dynamic mic. Working on another game jam. Ooh, nice. Is it that spooky one that you put in my Discord? I was just looking through the Discord quickly before I put the post up, and oh, nice. So you did join that. You know what I need to do? I need to put I did a small music jam. I did my first chiptune song the other day with Emily, and she ran a little tracker jam. I think we were talking about it last time. I got to put that up in the my Discord. But your game was great. The last one, again, awesome work. I was especially liking all the sound effects and stuff. I was glad to hear that you did that stuff yourself. What do you use? You said Sample Tank, right? Do you work straight up in the standalone, or do you use like a DAW, like Reaper or whatever, Ableton or GarageBand? Standalone, cool. Yeah, you got a good ear for it. It sounded great. How long? I guess you've been doing that for as long as you've been making games too, right? So tonight I'm working on Animation Player, which is something somewhat new for me. I saw you use it on the Rain's Ascent, and I was like, because I had done this. This is an animated sprite. I've gotten this far, but I haven't done the animation player. Ooh, okay. That's not really supposed to happen. First time I've seen him do that in a minute. Oh, I can fix that. I have friend who's big into music. I let him listen. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, that's me. I'm big into music myself. But so you have, you got any good, you like basically just use the Sample Tank 4 set? Because I did the tracker jam in Fama Studio, which is chiptune stuff, so that's kind of cool. And I actually have a VST that's also does the same thing, so if I want to use it in Reaper or whatever, I can do that. But yeah, that's fun. The whole sound side of it gets me excited because I'm a musician too, and it's just cool to start thinking about that stuff. I gotta get some art eventually. This is the way I've been getting out of it for the time being is because I'm gonna keep finding sprite sheets and making these games for a little bit, so I don't have to worry about the art. But I do need to eventually learn either pixel art or Blender or both, which will be cool. But it's just a whole other thing, you know. And then the sound, the synth, yeah, totally. The synths are the great. You just had it mixed well too, though. You know, there's more to it than just the sounds too. It's about like layering the sounds and yeah, the synth. Oh, the Synthia? Is that Synthi assets or synth? Synthi or Synthi? I just realized I think Synthi is an assets thing, right? Synthi. Okay, yeah. Okay, I thought for a second you were saying Synthi type assets for the music. It's a store. Okay. Is it free or do you have to buy stuff? Oh, do you know about the the Pixel Megascans library for. I don't know if you have any experience in Unreal, but they have. Okay, so. Okay, good. I was gonna say, I'm like, I know it's like not necessarily like we're doing like high res 3D stuff, but I definitely need to grab all that. I've had some of it before. I haven't messed around in Unreal in a minute either, but yeah, that's a whole thing going on right now where it's still free till the end of the year, and then it's gonna be paid after that. Do you know how much? If you have it all, yeah, they're crazy good. You just have to be ready to make the rest of the game look like that. That's the way I look at it, you know. Yeah, they're awesome, amazing. Do you know offhand if you have it all? Because I'm gonna try to grab it all. I was wondering how much space it took up. Because I got like a space crunch. I got a new computer last Black Friday, and I'm still piecing it together basically. My old one broke like out of nowhere, and I was like, shit, I need a new computer. But so I found a good deal, but like this computer, don't tell anybody, doesn't even have a graphics card in it right now. So I still got to add one of those, and hard drive space too. You don't have to download it all, you can just add to your. Okay, perfect. Yeah, I love that move. That's like what you do with the games and stuff. I do it on my Xbox all the time, or I used to. Oh, it's a free game. Grab it. You don't have to download it, but it counts that you own it. I do the Epic Store. That's what I do. I go in the Epic Store every once in a while. They get the free games. I just like grab them, but I don't download them. It's starting to grow. Yeah, I actually have a decent little collection in there now. I look at that once in a while. I'm like, man, because they do a good job. They give away all kinds of stuff, but lots of indie stuff. But they give away some straight bangers sometimes too. Though it's like, whoa, that's a AAA game. You know. Like I got like Fallout or something, and I got a couple games that are like, wow. Yeah, I do need to do that. You know why? Because I saw one game I've always wanted to try and I've never got my hands on yet. Is free over there. The Kerbal Space Program. I definitely want to check that game out. I've always wanted to check that game out, but I've never got my hands on it free. I wasn't going to buy it. That game always fascinated me. I like games with high amounts of realism and difficulty. Yeah, give me a heads up if you see anything good, free, that's recommendable. I'm never against adding to the backlog of games. I was talking about it the other night because, like these days, on a different stream with somebody, and they were saying how, you know, they appreciate just being able to get into certain games and play like the older games, old school games, because nowadays, like all the new games have like such a long tutorial and the character creators, and like you just want to play the game. So I have like a big backlog of games myself, and like I end up just playing like Rocket League or something at the end of the night when I'm just want to play something quick because it's just easy to get in and out, and I don't have to like use it too much brain power. It feels like a different part of the brain anyway. I don't have to get in there and be like sort through my inventory and stuff, you know, or where I wonder where I was on the map or the quest or. Okay, so cool. I want to see your progress with the tracker stuff. Not the tracker stuff. The game jam you're in. That'll be cool. When's it due? And what are you doing? Or is it secret? Could be secret. Far too many games I pay for Humble Choice and get a ton of games each month I have taken again. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, Humble Choice. That's like, yeah. Just me collecting them through like Epic Store, and every once in a while when like Steam goes on crazy, usually around this time of year, Christmas time, they give away some serious deals. So I'll throw in like $20 and get like 5 games. 5 awesome, amazing games for like $4 a piece or $5 a piece. It's almost criminal. Let alone, yeah, like indie games and stuff too. Okay, so it's time to animate. It was funny because I'm still like getting used to thinking in game engine world because I was like thinking of this problem and immediately I was like thinking of how to code it and like get it to hop and then back and turn around and back. I'm like, I can do that. It's gonna be a bunch of, And then I realized I'm like, no, I need to use an animation player for this, and that should work real good. So it's a good time to do it. A good time to kind of learn it, and we're gonna get into it. So is it Rock Buddy? Oh, cool. All right, sweet. I must have missed that. I thought I was perusing yours at least today or yesterday. Must have missed it. Oh, okay, sweet. All right. This animation player. Hello. So we need a new one, right? We'll name it. Okay. Edit. Yeah, I gotta add tracks. Okay, this will be fun. All right, so one thing I do know is that's like a little finicky between switching back and forth on these, right? To get the, yeah, okay, the keys. This is where it's at. Okay, so it's like a kind of a no code exercise too. So we need to get, he's gonna start this way, he's gonna jump twice, turn around, come back. And that's what I need him to do. So we are gonna key the location, position. Brazier curves, I don't really know if I need that. I don't think I do. Okay, so position. Let's just start with that. Okay. So, can I just copy this? No. Okay. I know offhands. No, it's that, right? 0.2. And then I need another key. But this needs to be minus. Okay, let's see if that's, yes, look at that. There we go. I thought you could copy the key. And then we're going to put that here. Okay. And we need to make this longer. This is going to be 5 seconds. Might be 4. Let's see how we're doing here. Well, no, not smooth. So you want, oh, I think I need another one of these. Yep, I do. No, I didn't want to duplicate. Copy. Wait, did I just duplicate? No, I didn't. Okay. So this needs to go to 0.8. There we go, right? Because that's like a rest. Is that right? Yes. Sweet. Okay. So next thing, obviously, is the collision box. Also has to move It is great that you can just pretty much kind of animate anything, huh? Okay, so position. Yep. And then I can just copy these. This needs to be -32 though. Enter. Okay. Let's see where we're at. There we go. Could probably shrink the box too, but that's a separate issue. And then, so that's him hopping here. And then he's gonna wait again. I think I had this worked out in my, so he should wait for 1.8 or 0.8. Yep. And then another one here, but that's going to be -16. And then 2.8, right? Okay. And then this one is going to be back to home. And then rest. Well, I think I'm getting ahead of myself. Let's see how where we're at here, actually. These should be the same because position basically in the collision box just wants to follow along, right? Let's see if I got this. All right. And then I feel like that's too quick. We'll deal with that later. I'm just trying to put it together right now. Okay, one more time. Okay. We need to put this on autoplay, and we need to put this on looping. Where's that? There we go. Okay. Now we bring in the sprites. Animation. Okay, so we need an animation. Yep, we need one of these. That's the animation marker. And we also need frame, right? Yeah, frame, there we go. All right. So this should be set to hop. Oh, one other thing we're gonna need. We'll get to that in a second. Okay. So right now the animation is hop, and that's what we want. And then, all right, let's just put this here for now. Put frame 1. And then that should be frame 2. See how that looks. Decent. We can do that. All right, so he stays there, and then I don't really need to change it, right? Just here, and you would need another one, right? Frame 1. And then when he lands, frame 2. Is that right? What's happening? Moving. Okay. And again, right? Yeah, again. So just there. 1 and 2. Key that. And this is going to be the same thing. We're just going to need to flip it. So all these gaps, right? Like this. There. Okay. Let's see how it looks. All right. Stop. So what we need to do now is, yeah, we need to flip a horizontal track. Okay, so no. This is one hop, second hop, and then I think here. Key that. No. Oops. Flip. Why is that not? Why is that not, why is that being finicky? One hop, two hops, so it needs to be there. Okay. See how that did? See if that looks decent. All right. Not bad. Probably a little quick. I probably gotta space everything out. But we can work with that in a second. Okay. So now Once they get to hop, hop, I'm going to change the animation here, I believe. Maybe like right there. Can I just copy this, paste this, and then there we go. Okay. And we need to turn around now. Probably at here, around like here. And do it right there. So turn him. Turn around, frame, yeah, this one. Yeah. And then I guess right there for frame 2. So he needs to, right there, right? Turn it around. Frame 2. Is that because it's flipped? That shouldn't be turn around frame 2. Maybe because it's flipped. Shouldn't that be? Let's see. Let's see, let's see. So he's getting flipped back around. Oh, okay, yeah, so I don't want this until later. Until he's what? Doesn't stop. What? I gotta take a look at this again. The animation play is pretty useful for a lot of things more than just this sprite, but also sounds nice. Yeah, the action, it is cool. It seems like you can animate almost like whatever. The keys come up for almost everything I was noticing. Yeah, I'm just kind of learning my way here, but I'm liking it. Like I said, I was originally thinking of like trying to code it to make him hop and come back and forth. But with him being on a moving log, I decided it was time to learn this instead. All right, so this is, he should have been, I don't know what's happening there. Still too fast. That's interesting. That sounds like animation player for sounds, huh? Oh, I get what you're saying. Yeah. So like you can have a sound effect play, like right at a certain time part of the timeline. That's cool. So what is he trying to do there? Oh, they didn't finish this. Alright, stop looking at that. So this is first jump. And then second jump. Yeah, if you need a sound effect for like jumping, or if when I did the space shoot the laser sound was tied to the player. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I can think of a couple things for sure. That would make it useful. Oh wait, where's my animation here? Okay, that's the problem. And then pretty much right here. So turning around. Yeah. And this needs to get changed to hop. Aha. Yeah, I was all screwed up there. So I was back to where I was originally trying to put it, which is not there, I don't think. But oh no. Okay. Oh yeah, because it's off. Alrighty. Now we're doing better here. So pretty much like right here. I need another key. No. Turn around. Key one. I gotta change that. I gotta add another. Okay. Okay. Now where's the animation? Here, I guess. Okay. Change this. Let's turn around. And that should all be flipped. Okay. Let's see how close we're getting here. Sweet. Oh, didn't play as. I feel like these jumps could be a little bit more pronounced. Not bad. Not great, but I feel like the whole thing needs to be paced out just a little slower. But it's all mostly in there. going on? Alright, well that's not bad before a polish. I think the whole thing just seems to be a little slower. Let's see if it works. Look at that. That looks great. Just a little bit more pronounced with the leg. So the whole thing needs to go maybe a little longer. And a little bit more pronounced with the leg jump, I think. But that's not bad. Comes back around, right? Alright. And then I should be able to go pick them up. Whoa! Oh! The freaking... The otter got me. That's random. Okay, so yeah, I gotta fix that. It's gonna keep coming back. Oh no, I got rid of him that time. That was interesting. He won't come back right now. Try again. That came together not too bad though. Not too much fuss yet. Yeah, look at that. Oh, hey. Cool. I just gotta finish. I haven't finished the code yet with what happens after. And they won't spawn back either. I can die right here. And right now I'm pretty sure it won't come back again. So that's not quite the concern at the moment. One thing I'm going to do actually is I guess make this a little harder to get. A little hard to get. I'll make it hard to get. You gotta work for it. Okay. Oh, why does that look? Oh yeah, with the animation though. I do have to leave that bigger, I think. What just happened there anyway? Yeah, because when they jump, yeah, I can't do this. I'm gonna have to make it. I'm gonna have to make it bigger. I can make it like that probably. Let's make it a little trickier. Should be fine with the width. Okay. All right, so. Oh, there's audio. Interesting. Okay. There. Now it's as hard as it can be, safely. Frame 1, frame 2. I don't want to mess with changing the sizes of the animation. That's not necessary. Okay. Alright, so let's take another look at this. It just needs to all happen slower, I think. Yeah, this whole thing needs to be sort of dragged out a little bit. I guess I can make, can I just like drag everything at once? Because the hop feels pretty good. You can just wait a little longer between. So all these need to be extended. Can I... Can I select all of it? And stretch them and move the whole timeline? Oh wait. Just get this thing out of here. No? Ooh, here we go. It's just gonna... I don't think I got everything. Is this gonna work? Mostly. Oh, this will work apparently. Alright, so... Wait, I gotta figure out what I want to do here first. Yeah, these all need longer. I just need to like bring that out to like 1.2. Let's try that. Now like give them a full second. Why is that not the position I'm not grabbing? Didn't I just make... Yeah, okay. I did make room. I just... And then this can come out. Okay. And then I gotta do the same thing over here. Right. This is going to be all messed up afterwards. I already know it. Oh. Try to grab all this. Yeah, go like 3-3. 3-2. And then this can go there, and this can go there. And then put that back on the ends. Is that... All right, let's see how messed up all that is now. That's great. Oh, that's right. Okay. Not bad. So yeah, these ones down here need to be lined back up too. This goes to 1. 1, 2. At the moment. Wait, did I make this shorter? I didn't lengthen this one. It needs to be longer. I think I was going for... Yeah, this to be... Oh, that's right. Alright, let's match these up just so I don't go insane looking at it for a second. Feels like in some cases I made it. I gotta stretch this out. Yeah, how did I... I feel like I ended up making it shorter somehow. That's not what I did. Alright, I'm just gonna line this all back up for now. Nice, I made it worse. Fun. Okay. Alright. That's because everything's all out of whack now. I want that to be there. That felt good. And then... I guess we can give him like a full second. Let's try that. So that means this would be all the way back at 1-4. And this goes to 1-2. And this goes to 2.4. This goes all the way back here. This goes to the... Wait. I'm off by 1 here. 1.4. 2.4. 2.6. It's a 3.6, I guess. 3.6. 8, 4, 8. Alright. Let's even these all up. Okay. That's definitely closer to the real amount of time. It's perfect, actually. Let's see how that looks. It's not going to look good with the pacing. Okay. It's better. It's better. Now we just got to line everything up right. This should all be right? Still the hops. The first hop should be fine. And then, yeah, this needs to be. Tell me what the value is from that. Oh, 667. It's not really. 033. How's that look? Better, actually. Okay. Alright, animation needs to move back. Wait. Yeah, turn around. This whole thing doesn't happen until jump. And then the animation should be hop. This one should stay back here. Hop, hop. Right? Let's see. Okay. No, where'd we go? Come back, Froggy. He's hopping. He's landing. He's hopping. He's landing. And that should be good, right? Okay. Yeah, so this just needs to be. Where's this starting at? Oh, yeah. 1.4, so probably like 1.7. Okay. He's still bugging out. It's fine, because I'm still fixing the mess I'm in. Yeah, this is all supposed to be back. See? Still. Okay. That's this goes over there. I guess that can work. Not bad. Something weird's going on there. Okay. See if we can fine tune the jump a little bit. Seems to look. What the heck goes through there? This is turnaround. Needs to be a little smoother. That's looking pretty good. Compared to the original, let's take a look at the original. The original. Where are you, little guy? I'm running out of time. I'm gonna die first. I love it. Yeah, the turn is quick. Might stay a little bit longer in the middle. That's pretty close for all intents and purposes. Let's see how it looks. Whoops. That's not what I want. Let's see how it looks. No, it looks pretty good. And he comes back around. Yes, yes. Well, here he goes. He's back. Cool. I am happy with that. Happy, joy. Let's go pick him up. Just for funsies. We'll save you. Gotcha. So I guess the next thing we can do. Oh, I beat. That's right. Sweet. That's working good. You can jump in there before the alligator comes to the second thing there. All right. So I guess, yeah, when we come back, I'm gonna take a break real quick here and stretch. When we come back, we'll take the next step for the bringing him home and then hiding it. Cool. All right, I'm gonna take a quick break, stretch, and be right back. Where's my little high quality? Boom. All right. Back. There we go. Okay, well, I was actually thinking it was going to take longer to accomplish that, so That was like the main focus of the stream. And that went pretty smooth. I only had fudged around with it briefly beforehand, so even with stretching it out, which is definitely, I probably just gonna learn a better way to do that, but it worked, even with changing the timeline a little bit. I'm pretty happy with that, actually. So let's get into the code of give him points. I don't think he gets points when he brings them up. And we're going to make sure it hides again after that too. Okay. For that, we need to go over to the frog himself. And or wait, we might need to go to might need to go to the frog home. Frog home. Okay. In all cases, I guess I'm gonna need to make sure this is gonna hide again if he dies. Everywhere. I guess, right? I don't really need to make a check for it. I can just tell it to hide. Just in case. So everywhere he dies, actually, I gotta kind of do that now. To make sure. Okay, so on area entered. What is this? Gator home. All right, okay. Interesting. All right. On body entered. If not occupied. Velocity 0. Probably needs to be a small weight in there eventually. Frog home dot visible equals true. I'm gonna make sure. Oh wait. That's not what I need there. Do I have a reference to the frog? I do not. Okay. I gotta do body get nodes. Okay, I have the game manager. I think there's supposed to be 50 points for this too happening. Oh wait, it's right, that's here. Yeah, 10 points for every second left. I think that's actually going to be for the half ticks. I think for some reason the bar would tick down 30 seconds, but it was like 60 ticks. I'm not sure which is, we'll have to go and do some polish on the scoring. Alright, so he's getting 50 points here. And then I gotta do a check here. If body dot get node. Where's the frog? Sprite 2D2 dot visible true equals true. What don't they like here? Can't do that. Yeah, okay, that's what I was trying to do the first time. I should just have a reference to the frog here. It'd probably be easier, but there's only so much going on here. I'll be able to look through the body, it's fine, I guess. Maybe if I want to spend extra time and refactor this stuff or make it better. It's not even gonna change. It'll still be one line of code. So, okay. That should add more points and hide it. We should think. No, he's still there. Okay, it looks like it added points though. Probably too many. Difference? I'm not really sure. Is there like is there just semantic difference there or actual difference between visible, true, false, and well, that worked. And hide and show. I mean, those are just the functions, right? That set it to visible, true, and false. I mean, I guess that's probably the better way to do it. It's more like a getter or a setter than setting the parameter directly. Okay, so that works, but if I'm not mistaken, every other way needs to have that too. Like if I die, pretty much any other way, right? Or by a truck. Oh, okay. That didn't need it. Interesting. Oh, I guess you can just. Maybe I set it on spawn already. Let's see. I'm glad it's working, but. Yeah, okay, perfect. Put it right in the die function. Sweet. Okay. Now, when we get this dude home in the original, I'm gonna reset it. Drop in a fresh quarter. The volume seems to be low on this comparatively to Spotify. Alright. Let's try to get him. There's another thing. That I have to do here, and it's a small thing. I noticed it though. You get 10 points for every increment up the screen, but you don't actually get one for getting onto this median right here. So if I want to make it, oh, that was a cheap death. This is the original. The original was famous for that, having some cheap deaths. That's where I gotta wait again. I was supposed to be picking up the dude, picking up the froggy, girl frog, the frog buddy. That's another weird thing. Like when you press it fast enough, you can't even see the animation. Okay, here we go. Oh, of course I ran out of time. All right, so I got 170 right now, and if I jump up, I won't get any points. See that? So I gotta put a little check in there for that. Well, timer went off. Everything just sped up. Here we go. Pick you up. 200. Okay, 200 shows up. Like right up the top there. And I had like 120, so it should be like 460 that you end up with. Let's see how close we are. I know we're gonna get 10 extra points for this because it's not fixed yet. So it should be 460, right? 670. How about 670 instead? Should be 460. All right, so let's try that again. See where our errors are, or our inconsistencies. So right up to this, I only have 110. So it should be 100. So it's all in this additional. So I'm like 150 points off. I guess I gotta figure it out. Start. Why does it do that sometimes? I can't, like, it goes to a pause instead of. And then if I try to enter to play, there we go. So this should just be straight 100 by the time you get up to here, right? Yeah, okay. And then you get in, and it's 500 points? What? Is that right? That shouldn't be right. Oh, a little sneaky. Oh, I gotta restart now. No. Let me in. Let me in. Let me play. Why? Why are you doing this? Why? Thank you. Okay. 6:30. Oh, that's why. Duh. Because of the time. It's gonna change every time. Okay. Alright. I was having a moment there. So that's not gonna be an effective way to test it. I just gotta make sure that's right. I know it's 200. Alright, so then we're good. That's why mine was so high before, because I did it quick. I also might have... Oh boy. I lost my dude. I'm 70. It's hard to tell if I'm getting those points. Well, I know how to make sure I know I'm getting the points. Why do I keep doing that? That's the same. It's gonna happen every time right there, right? I'm falling into the same loop. Just gotta watch out for that. That's the one that dives. 670. Okay. Good for now. Now the question is, how do I want to handle the 200 point thing that shows up? I guess I'm gonna put that on the frog home. It's gonna have to be a ways up. There's a sprite. Almost there. Yeah, so let's go ahead and let's sprite here. And we're gonna make that 200 pointer also. Okay, I'm gonna put this way up. Where's the, I gotta get guesstimate here. I need to be like up there. Also, no, it should be right. So it's here. Oh, so just right above it. Yeah, okay. That shouldn't be too bad. See how it looks. Good. Hide. Alright. Now, script. show. And then probably just create a timer, right? A quick timer. Get tree. Done. Create timer. 2 seconds. Leave it at 2 for now. Time out. And then hide. Now we're going to see if it's easier to do this one. Okay. See how that goes. Nice. Perfect. All right. All right, so that's good. Cruising here. We had a schedule. I was saying, I was expecting to be playing around with that animation thing like all night, the whole stream. So what's next? What's next? I mean, it's almost time to start doing audio, which is kind of cool. Let's do one right now, that one I was talking about the other day, where I'm running out of time. So that should be the progress bar. I'm just gonna add audio right here. That's the one. And sound effects. Running out of time. Then, right when it turns red, right here, right? Let's hear it. I don't even know if the audio is working. No audio in my game all this time. I did that for sanity's purposes, but I probably could have dropped a few in along the way, right? Just to have it be a little bit more alive. We'll do maybe the death ones next. Oh, okay. That's not right. It's like playing it over and over. Okay. I need a street. I need just like a separate check for this apparently. Actually, I can just probably do that, right? That way it doesn't have to. Okay, then I need to bump this out though. I'll do it that way. Starting to come together now though. Pretty fun. Get the audio in. And yeah, there'll be like a little bit of pacing to do between the audio playing. Will dictate a little bit of time. I know it's like when you die, this dude comes back and then there's like a hot second where you can't quite move him yet. And just a little bit of pacing and flow with the way the audio plays. Same thing with the level change. I think you can't move or do anything for like 2-3 seconds while the tune plays in between levels. Oh, I didn't hear any. I did not hear the audio. That's not working, I don't think. Oh, there we go. Beautiful. There's the first one. Let's get death in. What time we got? What time is it? Real life, not stream time. I get off around like 10-ish. So let's go to Frog Homes. And this is an audio listener. Overrides the location sounds are heard from. I feel like that's an audio listen. Interesting. And this should be landing safe. Let's do that right here, right? Right. When the audio is ready to go, I guess it's kind of easy to plug it in. Well, at least right now. Cool. Played. Almost. Oh, let me check out this audio. Aha. That's why I was going to do audio as a separate. I remember that now. I heard it. I could pick it up right away. I know off the fact the hop is like this too. I need to go in and chop these up, or a couple of these up. Yeah, see? That's no good. I wonder how many more of these. I wonder how. I never actually looked at the waveforms for all these. Oh yeah. See, I'm gonna want to chop all these up. Can I just like set it to only play this right here? Damn it. Alright, so it'll be all of these probably. Actually, the snake doesn't sound too bad. Oh yeah, it does sound bad. mic won't loop. Like, that'd be horrible, right? It won't loop. Loop, watch. It's gonna sound terrible. What the hell? Alright. Well, I don't mind doing a little work because I found all these. So let's pump the brakes on that. Yep, I thought I heard a little delay there too. Alright, we gotta pump the brakes on that. We're gonna have to run all these through some audio shortening. These songs should be okay, I would imagine. Ugh, but they're not. Oh, this one's not bad. This. Okay. Oh, thank God, all these ones are good. Song intro. What is this? This is. Okay. Cool. I mean, that almost could be trimmed too, but. Oh yeah, this one. I mean, some of these I might not need to, just because of the pacing. It's just like, I can notice it right away though, like when you're jumping in on the sound effects, and it's like a slight delay there. Sorry, this is Respawn. That one might be okay. I gotta have a little timer there anyway, so it's really just the sound effect ones that are really gonna be. These minor delays are okay in the songs and stuff, as long as it wasn't egregious. They're not nearly as egregious as the sound effects, which is unfortunate because, I mean, how am I supposed? Like, that's not good. We can't have that. That needs to be like the instant sound. I mean, it sounds great. Alright, yeah, so that's going to be a different time. So yeah, I can't really move into the audio just yet because, yeah, it's like a whole nother bag. I gotta bring a bunch of these in to Reaper and chop them up, shorten them up, shorten them down, and bring them in. And I have to get off at 10. And there's not enough time. Not enough time. All right, so what else can we do? We can do the, go to the menu. Do a little menu work. Menu. Okay. So I liked what I had going on with this button, so I was going to copy that over and down to the other ones, and just all those in a row from font hover to font color. But I have the styles on too, but this is the style override, isn't it? That was the theme override. I think I remember I was doing this. I was like clicking stuff, enough stuff till it worked, basically. All right, well, let's see where the similarities are. Okay. Where was that? So from font hover to font color. Yellow. Where's the eyedropper? I might not need all these. Why is it not picking that up? missing the nice outline. Okay. So none of that did anything that I wanted, basically. Hold on a second. Interestingly. So let me turn these all off again. Okay, that one I needed. But then I have styles open. Okay. So what I do, I punch these in. What's going on here? Oh, hover, focus. Okay, that's what's going on. So focus style box. That's what I did. Yes. What am I using over here? Empty or style box flat? Yeah, flat. Yeah, okay. Here we go. Border, color. Border. Where's my recent colors? The rest of them. Oh, I can make swatches. Lord. Alright. And then I need, what's this? Hover press? Mirrored. Hover pressed. Just hover. And pressed. Hover and pressed. I feel like this should all be one theme, right? But now they'd be different. And then pressed. All right. Now what do I have for 111 pressed 3 7 3. Wait. Oh, that was set too, huh? Border, color. Border width, yeah. Border 1, border color, okay. I'm getting out of here that easy. So 1, 1, 1, 1. Also yellow. And then the same thing down here. Have a corner radius? I did. On both, right? Yep. This is pressed 3. Oh wait. Damn it. That's not what I want. This is supposed to be 3. These are supposed to look like that. Okay. Now. No. That's not what I want at all. Okay. Pressed. Oh wait, is this why I'm all screwed up? Because then I'm like overriding them also. So focus, hover, pressed. Focus. Oh, I never set these up. 1. Still. Alright. Boy, I didn't kill time. Come do UI work, man. Holy cow. Especially if you don't know what you're doing. I think I should be using a theme for this, but, or at least part of it. And just override the colors. I guess that's what I should be doing. Yeah, because I'm using these. But I'm also using these. Alright, so focus. Border width is 2. Corner radius is 1. Two. Alright. Of course, everything else is wrong, but I need to override. Hover. Hover background color. Yeah, black. That's my problem here. Black. And then font color needs to be where's that? Background color, skew, corner down with. Well, let's just see if we. Okay, we're halfway there. That looks nice. And then it gets bigger. Okay. So we got it's the hover that's no good. I want that. Ideally. If we can. So my overriding. Like I'm overriding them up there, but I feel like there should be somewhere. Font size, icon. Alright, well I guess that's where I gotta do it. Maybe that's. Hover pressed. Okay. anything too fancy there. Alright, I think I just do have to do all these though. Font pressed color. Yeah, I want it to stay. Alright, let's see if we solve all the problems with one. Yeah. And then I pick it, but then that's still happening. Alright, so one more thing we gotta fix. We're overriding, this is like selected. Alright, it's probably the same thing down here. Yeah. Hover or pressed background color. Right, is that what we're missing still? Yeah. Okay. Pressed background color. Oh yeah, and this one. We don't want any gray. Nice. Beautiful. Okay, so now I gotta do the other one. So it turns out I do need to do all these. Well, why is that not the same color? That's right, it's not pure green because it's actually Frogger green or that green. Alright, let's see how far that gets us, even just doing that. I'm trying to learn this stuff a little better as I go here. We need one for that, and we need one for hover and pressed, right? Focus, background color, black. Border width. Alright, so the border width on these, 2, right? Focus, 2. Two. One radius. One. Okay. Background color black. Hover is 1. Border width. Is that right? Okay. that. One. And that one. Background color black. Okay. And this is 3. Border color. And the radius. Okay, is that everything? Nope, I missed border color on pressed. Should be that. Focus. Okay. Now let's. Where's my play button? All right. So just do the same. But it is. Just keep them equal for now. 2. One. Border. Red. Okay. Black. I don't know why this is 1. I really think it should be 2. I'm gonna try it 2 here on the play, if nothing else. We're not even gonna see this. Pressed. All right. I went on just like, that's cool. I like that actually. The play just is like, boom, do it. Looking good. All right, so yeah, I was gonna say let's do some audio. No, I can't. That's gonna have to wait. Cause, oh yeah, almost out of time. That was a good time sync right there. We got a couple things bonus done. We got the points adding and the 200 pointer going up there now. To get the one timer, actually the time running out, I gotta get replaced too. That's right. Yeah, I think So I'm gonna, okay, so I'm gonna set the stuff here I can do. Let's do that right now. So basically, fly and the gator take turns spawning. On one level it's the fly, and the next level it's the gator. So we can do that right now. I think that's as simple as, where's fly? No, where's gator? Gator. Not this gator though. Gator home. Gator home. Yeah, you. Where's your script? Do you have a script? Yeah, you do. Alright. Just put a check here. Right. I just need a reference to the game manager. I already have. Sweet. Game manager. Level. It's modulo 2, right? Or not equal 0. It's because this should be, no, this is with the gator. I'm sorry. I thought I was doing the fly for a second. Equals 0. And then this. That should be right. No gator. Cool. And we'll go to the fly and do the same check. Right here. Game manager, level, modulo 2. Not equal 0. Okay. He still works there. All right, let's go over to our level. Let's go level 2. And we should see the gator. We should see the gator. There he is. Okay. I was like, we should see him. He's still hanging out too long. I'll do some polish on that. I'll do some timing. That's almost all we got left. Well, not really actually. There's a couple more things I'd like to do. Okay, so that's working. The fly is not here. Beautiful. And then we go to level 3, and the fly should be back. And no gator. There we go. Okay. Cool. Yep. What else? Can I do anything else real quick right now? Got a few more minutes. What else we got? Did these. This looks nice now. Let's go to the singleton. Where is my singleton? Globals. We got high scores. Score. Because we can carry that back and forth. Trying to think about how I want to hook that up. Almost would just kept the score here the whole time. No, it's fine. It's better this way. So basically, high score. Okay, I got the high scores and the high score. Player high score, and then last score. Because if you play, no, I can't show it on this, I don't think. Oh yeah, I can. So right now, like I have 1,100 points, and the high score is 4,600. So let me just kill myself. It's like 11:30, 11:60. Oh wait, I gotta turn my cheat mode off. Nope, that's not it. Oh, I don't have a cheat mode in this. Oh, dang. Oh, I do have. Oh, that's alright, it's over here. Back to 3 lives. I don't know if that's going to take effect. Die, Froggy. No, I gotta restart it. So. Oh, I gotta need to do that still, actually. Extra frog at 20,000 points. If anybody's ever gonna get there. But I'm like, I gotta do it. Why is it giving me a hard time? There we go. Alright, so if I get like 30 points. Yeah, I see it carries back over to the other side. And the high score stays. So I can emulate that. Shouldn't it be like capitalized or something? How do I access that? Alright, so where's game over? I don't really have a game over, I don't think, yet. Yeah, right here. Game over. Is it globals? That is globals. Last score. Okay. And then on the menu, script. On ready. This is all I have here. So I guess I would want it on the label. I don't want that though. This is the only script on this thing. So I just gotta do unready. Is it ready? Yeah. And then score label. Text. Text. String. Globals dot last score. Okay, so let's get a couple points and then die. Something's wrong there. We're putting one too many frogs on the screen there. Okay, sweet. The score carried over. Oh, it lost its. That's right. I got to string format it. It's gonna have to be. What is it? The whole thing gets put in quotes, right? %5, or is it 05D? Is that right? I go back and look at the way I got it going on the other one. I'm only so strong with that right now. Yeah. No. Okay. %05D, and then this. Okay. Oh, just the score. Not. It's not in a string though. I guess it just knows to do that. Okay. Getting ahead of myself. So it's just this minus. Yeah, I gotcha. I gotcha. Cool. 10. Odd. Ran out of lives that time. Okay. And it's working. Cool. That might be it for me tonight. Mostly because, well, I gotta go with 10 anyway. So I had only kind of left myself like enough headway to do, and I had my head on just doing the animation tonight, and that went so well that I did a whole bunch of other cool little things too on the way. So yeah, we got the him going. That works great. We added the points. We got rid of the, he hides himself properly now after you bring him up. Points show up. We fixed this. We got only the fly or the gator showing. And we just did a bunch of menu work too. This is all looking nice now, how I want it at least. I don't know if it's nice or not, but it looks good to me. And we just did this where we got the set up a global or singleton pattern for the score, so that can carry back and forth. 30 points, game over. I feel like that's a little off center. Maybe not. And then that carries over, carries back. And then I could, well, I'll do that differently. The idea, ultimately, ideally, is to have this, after I finish Froggy, I'm going to go back, and this is all going to go on a website of mine, and I have a database, and I want to hook it up so that we can keep track of high scores. So that'll be the full implementation. And at that point, that's what made me think of it as the high score. I can do a personal high score, easy enough, and code that like right now if I want. But the ultimate goal here is this will be the high score from everybody. And then, so when you first come in, really, instead of it saying 0, I can have your personal high score sitting there. It's right here. And this could be the high score, and then this could be your high score. And then if I get all that working and it goes well enough, because that'll be a whole other adventure, getting Godot to talk to basically my browser session, so I can get a username, and then talking to the database, getting it back in. I think it should be doable though. So the idea is for that high score to hold will be populated from, and then if I get that working, then I can add maybe a high score screen here, or I probably will put it on a different page. I'll probably put it on a landing page for the game and have a high score on that page, I think, just because of usernames. It'll be okay with a small amount, like a short name, like the old style where you can only put 3 letters in. But it'd be cooler to have, if we actually get anybody playing the games, to have it show the full name, full username, or whatever. So yeah, I'm pretty happy. Got the animation going. It's only a little sad that the only animation for the whole project really is that guy there, as far as using the animation player. I could do the intro. There's an intro that happens on the title screen, but really that kind of happens before you can even play, and it kind of makes you wait while I do it. So what I could have is maybe a frog hop by or something, do a little Pac-Man thing style where there's a frog snake chasing the frog or something. I could do something. That we'll see, but that's not part of the original, and it's but yeah, so I'm pretty happy, and not only leave so much time for myself tonight, but I also was going to put a different hat on for the audio briefly, and I need a little more time to do that because we're going to have to chop up some audio sounds and shorten them and get them to play better in here so they line up. So yeah, I don't know if you're still here, Loki, but I am out. And see if there's anybody on. I don't really think. Anybody on? Nope. Alright, no one I'm really gonna raid. Okay. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for now. It was just kind of basically killing time, because I really just set aside tonight to really just do this animation and try to learn the animation player, and that went kind of smooth. So did some bonus things. Yeah, I put a singleton pattern in just for carrying the score over back to the main screen afterwards. Whoops. So the game died. And I was talking a little bit about like wanting to hook it up to a database eventually, which will be a separate adventure. But yeah, so yeah, I'm calling it for the night because mostly I got what I wanted to do done, and I only had so much time tonight. And essentially, I got past it, and we did a couple bonus things. And the big thing left to do is the audio, and that's going to dictate a little bit of pacing. And I was starting to put them in, and I realized that I have to do some audio work. The sound files are in need of love. They're like, there's gaps in the beginning of them and stuff. It's no good, specifically with the sound effects. So that's going to be the next stream, which I'm going to try to get on before another week. I've only been sparingly. I've been trying to at least hold myself to around once a week. You streamed not too long ago, I think, but I was like pretty tired at that point. I don't think I caught too much of your last stream. So yeah, the sound effects and stuff, I think you were here for that. But yeah, look, this is not, it's no good. It's way too much gap. That needs to be like instant. So yeah, even the running out of time one that I was trying to use, it needs to be like right on top of it. So we're gonna drag all these in and fix them up next stream, plug them in, and then man, it's getting pretty close to being done though. It's getting closer. Once the sound's in, then it's like final polish time. Like, oh, I gotta add the extra life. I gotta make a note of that. I keep forgetting totally about that. You get extra life at like 20,000 points or something. If anybody ever were to get there, I'd like to honor that. Oh, I gotta do all this. Yeah, because the audio is gonna be a whole thing, because the one little project is that there's like 20 different songs for all these homes. Like, there's one that plays every time when you clear the level, but then there's like 4 other ones per level, and there's 5 levels, so like 20 songs overall that have to be played in here, and has to keep track of the levels. So that'll be interesting. I probably could do like some kind of audio cue for that, or put them in an array. But that's till next time. All right, Loki, thanks for hanging out as always. It was a little quiet tonight. We had no randos come in. It's all right though. I'm always just happy if I'm here doing it. I'm like, sweet, let's go. Puts me on, gets me going, gets me developing, working on the game. But yeah, so I'm gonna be out. I'm out. I'll announce next time. Thanks. I'll check out your video too, of your progress on your game jam. But yeah, I'm gonna run, and I might. Tomorrow night I won't be on, probably. Maybe Friday though. But who knows? I'm just trying to get on at least once a week. But I'd love to start getting on like maybe twice a week. Just pick up the pace a little bit. Start cracking. All right, man. Loki, have a great night. Thanks again. It's always great to see you. Take care. Where's my OBS? Later.